Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over this cordless spin scrubber by HOTO from, of course, Costco. Turning home cleaning into an easy, efficient task. And as you can see, this box is really, really long. And yeah, I'm guessing this thing's going to really reach some really high spots, hard to reach places. Pre-charged, ready for use, waterproof IPX7, USB-C rechargeable, and 51-inch extendable handle. Judging by the picture on the front of the box right there, you could see the cordless spin scrubber cleaning tile. So if it's cleaning tiles, I'm assuming it's good for bathrooms and kitchens and whatnot. And yeah, here's even some more. It says 6X brush heads for daily cleaning needs. And here are even some more pictures of the cordless spin scrubber. So yeah, it looks like a floor tile. You got a sink faucet. You have a boat, wooden floors. Looks like a range or stove. And, of course, mirrors. Taking a quick look at the back here, it says 6X brush heads. Waterproof fully, IPX7. We have up to 110 minutes runtime. Make it happen. Experience swift, powerful, and versatile cleaning. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open the box. Here we got this brush head, and obviously it looks like it locks on with this square right here. It looks like it snaps onto something. Expandable hole, and this looks like a storage bag. We have a mesh lining right here, and yes, this is the extendable part. We got like a tough Brillo pad. Again, this is like a soft side on the back. This one's a little bit rough, like a Brillo. Here we have that Velcro attachment, and on the back here we still have that square mount. We have two brush attachments, both with the square mount as well. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Here is the handle part of this whole thing. This is going to be where you get the power from and charge the battery. This basically is the battery. There is going to be a USB-C port right there, just under this rubber flap. And as I'm assuming everything mounts up to the square mount, as I showed you on the 6 attachments before that have that. And basically you just throw this bad boy on. And if you want, you put the extension pole on for hard to reach or really high surfaces. There it goes. Now, I see one light on. I wonder if there's two power settings. So press and hold to turn it on. Press it again, let's see what happens. Okay. So that's even higher. And basically, you just press it high, low, low. But to turn it off, press and hold. Everything is all plastic on it, although this is heavy because of, you know, pretty much the power and the battery that's in here. Again, plastic though. You know, I'm a little iffy with that on, you know, the durability for down the line. Also, too, we get the manual. It says, HOTO Cordless Spin Scrubber, make it happen. And we also get this round foam pad. I'm assuming this goes on to the Velcro attachment. Here we have another round, I don't even know, like a mop pad, pretty much. Very soft. They definitely give you a lot of attachments, I gotta be honest, to make you literally hit any surface, you know? Any surface is not going to be a battle when you have all these attachments. So let's go over this, right? You got 3 brushes, right? Let's just say this, right? You have the Brillo one, you have the soft pad one, and you have, I'll just call it the fuzzy one, all right? So you got these 3. Then you have the Velcro, okay? Which I'm assuming everything, all of these go onto here. That's my guess. I didn't even read the manual. I'm just assuming, right? And then these all have the square mounts. Every one of these, right? All the brushes have the square mounts. So these go directly right onto here. Imagine brushing your teeth with this thing. Let's see, there's a little button here. There's actually 2 buttons on each side. I'm going to press them, and it comes right out. That's beautiful. You have to press both, or could I just press one? Let's see. Okay, so you only need to press one. You don't need to press both. That's actually pretty cool. Also, too, inside the box, it says scan the QR code to get video instructions, just in case if you can't read. Turning home cleaning into an easy, efficient task. That's what they want this to do. They want to make this a multi-purpose cleaning tool. And I could see why. I mean, you really have a lot to work with here. Okay, so this lines up. This locks in. Aha! So it goes right in, and it twists, and you hear it lock. So yeah, this is it. This could get pretty high, man. This could get pretty high. I feel like the Statue of Liberty over here. But this thing could get really high. And then you extend it. You just twist the bottom. And then, oh, you got to clean something around the fan. I got to clean a lens from across the room real quick. Hold on. But yeah, I think this is pretty innovative. I actually really like this. And honestly, very rare where you see something ready right out of the box. Already pre-charged, ready to go right out of the box. Most things you got to charge for like at least like, 2 hours before you use it. This thing is ready to go. And when you're done using the extendable pole, you just twist to the left and pull it right out, and it's that easy. I will say, being that most things are plastic, this pole, definitely metal, but like a lot of stuff on it is plastic. It's definitely like a hard, heavy-duty plastic. If you are looking for a multi-purpose tool, a cordless spin scrubber, just a cleaning brush that you can extend, have different attachments for, and basically just get a good job done and just honestly feels very durable, I would probably go for this. This bag is basically for all the attachments, right? I mean, unless you're putting this in the bag, yes, that'll fit. Maybe that and all the attachments, but obviously the extendable pole is a little bit less portable when it comes to, putting it all in one travel bag. Not going to work out so well because it definitely won't fit. I don't know why, but when I hold this thing and when I feel this thing and when I see this thing, I think of like the Theragun. Like those massaging guns? Yeah, I don't know why, I think of this, alright? That's all I got for you in this video today. Be sure to check out the cordless spin scrubber from Costco, made by HOTO. Other than that, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thank you for watching as always. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will catch you all next time. Take care. I'm out.